Nuremberg is located in the state of Bavaria, Germany, and is the second largest city in the state after Munich. The city has a rich history dating back to the Middle Ages, becoming an important center of trade and commerce. Nuremberg was the unofficial capital of the Holy Roman Empire and served as a meeting place for the imperial diet. The city is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the impressive Nuremberg Castle, which dates back to the 11th century. Nuremberg is famous for its Christmas market, the Christkindlesmarkt, which has been held annually since the 16th century. The Nuremberg trials took place after World War II, where key Nazi leaders were prosecuted for war crimes. The city is the birthplace of the famous painter Albrecht Dürer, who is celebrated for his contributions to the Northern Renaissance. Nuremberg's Old Town is surrounded by a wall that is almost 5 kilometers long and includes 80 towers, which adds to its historical charm. The city is home to the documentation center Nazi Party Rally Grounds, which provides insight into the Nazi regime's rise to power. Nuremberg is known for its gingerbread cookies, called Lebkuchen, which have been a local specialty since the 14th century. The city has a vibrant cultural scene, with numerous theaters, museums, and galleries, including the Nuremberg National Museum. Nuremberg's economy is diverse, with industries ranging from manufacturing to information technology, and it is often referred to as the Silicon Valley of Bavaria. The city has a population of approximately 500,000 people, making it one of the largest cities in Germany. Nuremberg's historical significance is recognized by UNESCO, which designated its Old Town as a World Heritage Site. The city was heavily bombed during World War II, leading to significant destruction, but many historical buildings have been restored. Nuremberg is known for its sausages, particularly the Nürnberger Rostbratwurst, which are small, grilled sausages that are a local delicacy. The city's name is derived from the Old High German word Nuremberg, meaning rocky hill, referring to the castle's location. Nuremberg hosts several annual festivals, including the Nuremberg International Human Rights Film Festival and the Bardentreffen Music Festival. The city is home to the Nuremberg Zoo, which is one of the oldest and most popular zoos in Germany, featuring over 2,000 animals. Nuremberg's main train station, Nürnberg Hauptbahnhof, is one of the busiest in Germany and serves as a key transportation hub. The Nuremberg Toy Museum showcases the city's long-standing tradition of toy manufacturing, which began in the 18th century. The city has a strong connection to the Protestant Reformation, as it was the site of significant religious debates and events during the 16th century. Nuremberg is known for its high-quality porcelain, produced by the famous Nuremberg porcelain factory established in the 18th century. The city's famous castle includes a deep well that is 47 meters deep, which provided water during sieges. Nuremberg's historical significance is further highlighted by the numerous churches in the city, including St. Lorenz and St. Sebaldus. The city has a robust public transportation system, including trams and buses, making it easy to navigate. Nuremberg is a center for education, with several universities and research institutions, including the University of Erlangen-Nuremberg. The city has a lively nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and restaurants offering local cuisine and drinks. Nuremberg is located near the Pegnitz River, which adds to the city's picturesque landscapes. The city's historic center features the Hauptmarkt Square, which is surrounded by colorful buildings and is the heart of the Christmas market. Nuremberg has a rich musical heritage, having produced many renowned composers and musicians throughout history. The Nuremberg trials led to the establishment of important precedents in international law, particularly regarding human rights. The city is famous for its medieval fortifications, including the Sinwell Tower and the Berggraben Moat. Nuremberg has a strong sporting culture, with popular teams in soccer, ice hockey, and basketball. The city's famous Nuremberg laws, enacted in 1935, were anti-Semitic laws that stripped Jews of their citizenship and rights. Nuremberg has a thriving art scene, with various galleries showcasing contemporary and classical art. The city is known for its fountains, including the beautiful Schöner Brunnen, a 14th-century fountain in the Hauptmarkt. Nuremberg has a reputation for high-quality craftsmanship, particularly in metalwork and woodworking. The city is a hub for technology and innovation, hosting several tech startups and incubators. Nuremberg is home to the historic Dürer House, where the artist Albrecht Dürer lived and worked. The city has a variety of parks and green spaces, including the beautiful Leopoldhain Park. Nuremberg is known for its unique dialect, Franconian, which sets it apart from other Bavarian cities. The city's medieval history is reflected in its many festivals celebrating traditional customs and crafts. Nuremberg has a strong connection to the automotive industry, with several major manufacturers having facilities in the area. The city's culinary scene features a mix of traditional Bavarian dishes and international cuisine. Nuremberg is known for its beer culture, with many local breweries producing a variety of traditional beers. The city has a rich literary tradition, having been the birthplace or home to many famous writers over the centuries. Nuremberg's public library is one of the largest in Germany, offering a vast collection of books and resources. The city's annual International Toy Fair is one of the largest trade fairs in the world, attracting toy manufacturers and buyers globally. The Nuremberg Castle offers stunning views of the city and surrounding countryside from its towers.